Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely large panoramic glass roof, full LED headlights, there's 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, you get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line styled stitching. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.